Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about the symptoms of a bad water pump. The engine works like your body when you engage in an intense workout. Just like your body needs water to regulate the increased body temperature, a vehicle has a cooling system that takes that heat away from the engine. A water pump is a crucial component of the cooling system since its purpose is to cool the engine. It moves coolant around the engine and through the radiator to ensure that the car's engine and parts remain at safe temperatures. If your car has a bad water pump, you shouldn't ignore it since it can cause serious damage. So, what are the dangers of a bad water pump? Damage to other parts. If your vehicle has a bad water pump and the engine overheats, it could damage components such as pistons, gaskets, and cylinder heads. Overheating. A bad water pump can also cause overheating, increasing the risk of harm. Engine failure. When a water pump fails, it puts the engine at risk of failing too if you don't fix the problem. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Coolant leaks. If the seals and gaskets in your car wear out and you notice coolant leaks, it indicates a bad water pump. Strange noises. When you hear a whining noise from the engine, it could also indicate that the water pump is bad. Corrosion. Visible buildup of rust on the pump could also indicate that it is failing, and it can interfere with the process of moving the coolant to the engine. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix the issue. If you've noticed any of the issues above, you should consider replacing the water pump. You can buy a water pump replacement kit and replace it following the recommended procedure in the vehicle's repair manual. Thanks for watching.